All right, everybody, Safety Steve here. Today we're going to talk about trips, slips, and falls. We've got a good one for you. We're in the maintenance department here in the Renton facility. And as you can see, we have a lot of obstacles and a lot of debris on the ground that we need to be aware of. First, let me tell you that really this is the maintenance department, and you really should never be in the maintenance department unless you see a representative in this department and you need his help. Part of the reason that they have so much stuff on the ground is they're constantly working. They could be working on one machine and then another machine comes in and they have to stop what they're doing. So it's a very constant moving environment. So again, this really is kind of a restricted area for new employees or even ourselves that have been here a while. You need to have somebody, some supervisor, maintenance guy in here helping you. So as I can point out here, we got some electrical cords. We have some welding material that they're using, a winch, just different things on the ground that are hazards that we need to be aware of when we're walking through here. Another hazard here where you could trip and fall easily on this. Easily on this. Another cord here. Easily trip. Just a piece of random chain. All of these things here, glass, another grate, tools on the ground, all of these things in here are slip, trip, and fall hazards. I want to go inside now into production and show you just a couple more that you as an employee would be faced with in an area that you're working. Come on. Okay, you guys, we're inside the Renton facility, and you can see above we have misters that are putting water down on the material to keep the dust down inside this building. And there's a lot of foreign subject here, so it's really going to cause a slip and trip hazard. Really slick flooring, debris everywhere. So when you're walking through this area, you need to keep your head up, pay attention to where your surroundings are, watch out for machinery, and make sure that you have the proper boots on. That's all part of the PPE that we discussed in an earlier video. Okay, everybody, we're inside the Renton facility, as I said earlier. We're over by the tipping floor. And you can see there's a truck coming in right now, backing in, and he's going to dump the load right here in this pile. The reason we brought you out here is for how slippery it is, how wet it is, debris everywhere. But I wanted to point out to you too how important it is to wear your PPE when you're out around these trucks and this heavy equipment. As you scan out, you can see there's trucks everywhere. There's trucks waiting in line to get in. Now, fortunately, here we have a tip floor assistant that helps, but still, you can clearly see we have heavy equipment. Operators can't see that well, so it's really, really important that you wear your PPE, your hard hat, your vest, your safety glasses, and your required boots to make sure that you're safe and that people see you so we don't have any accidents. Well, I hope these videos have been beneficial to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the safety department. And remember, DTG is customer focused, planet obsessed, and your safety is job one. Thanks a lot.